You guys ready? We're gonna shoot the box there, and this time I'm gonna fold the stock down. There you go. I get more room now. Ooh. I'm gonna empty out 12, and I have an extra 12 here, so 24 all in total. Okay, ready, go. That is a pretty good gun.
Not use the handle thing.
All right. Well, I think it takes like half a second or a second to just load one in. It depends on how fast you are to pull this down, and it's actually pretty hard. So, you know, if you're like a little kid, like a really little one, you might have some problems doing it. So make sure you ask your parents to do it for you. But it is really kind of hard to just pull it down. It's not easy. It's you like actually have to put some force into it. So kids out there, we gotta put some effort into it if you want. Alright, I'm gonna stand behind this white line. We're gonna get a close up. Oh man. Alright, let's get ready. Go.
How do you hit it?
I missed a couple as it went through the net, but it was pretty good. I hit most of them. I believe only like 4 just went over the net or through the net. 2. This net's not big enough to hold those little balls, so only for tennis, only tennis balls. You don't want to get hit by that. Imagine getting hit by those. That's too much. Next, we're gonna test shoot it on Tristan. Take these Beyblades. These are ours. Only mine. Only mine. None of yours. Only mine. Now I gotta refill. 2, 3, oh my, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, one more thing. On the clip right here, you see this little button? If you actually pull it back. Oh, oops. You can take all the bullets.
Alright, so we're gonna be stacking up on here and see how good aim is. Not that good. He shot 5 through a net or over it.
He did a one-shot kill on you.
Actually, it hit like right here in my head.
Oh no, are you okay?
You ready?
Did it hurt?
No, it didn't even touch my face.
Oh, okay. It ricocheted?
It hit my hoodie.
Oh, that window. Okay.
Look at how cricket these are.
So, buddies, what Tristan is doing is stacking some of the Beyblades up that we got from Hasbro from 2018, and we did not get a chance to unbox all of it yet. Maybe we won't. Maybe we'll just keep it in the box, you know, as a souvenir. So we're gonna see how
that it is.
So we're gonna see how powerful the balls are. Let's see.
And the thing is that like there's a new season, all like the strong main character we got defeated. That's pretty sad. But
and Tristan has his gauntlet sword.
Infinity sword. I'm not Thanos.
And he's gonna try to protect the Beyblades from getting shot. Okay, so CAINNETH is going right behind the right line again. And here we go.
It's a competition against me. I bet I could knock it down before him.
I'm gonna shoot you before you even knock this down.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god. Hey! You're in! You have to make it go down, Kane.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Yay! At least he got 3 for 1, but like, look how much got over the net.
It's okay.
Trust me, I played Overwatch like a year ago. I'm good at deflecting. I'm a Genji.
His mission is to protect the Beyblades. Here we go, you guys. 3. Get ready. 2, 1. Whoop.
Oh my god. You're eating fast. Other clip. Let it reload. You can be a little closer. You can be in that green half. He hit me like 4 times.
10.
Yeah,
I
right.
counted 10.
And I deflected like 1. And I dodged like most of them. So.
No, that was a lot.
You wish.
Oh.
Oh gosh, the Infinity Sword.
Yeah, that's right.
I don't care, you will go down. Oh, freak, safety's on.
Okay, so we're ending the video there off a cliffhanger because I kind of cut him too hard where he started bleeding.
Yeah.
I didn't even hit hard, but like
Raw footage.
this man. Anyway, so I'm gonna end the video there. Make sure you guys slice that like button because you know I have this sword right here, and yeah, the Infinity Blade. And make sure you guys get that new rival gun. It's not really new, but shoot that subscribe button. And you can't comment, but there is a Discord that I made for you subby buddies so we could connect. Description below. Go check it out right now. Right now.
Hey, that's cool.
And make sure it's a free app called Discord. DISCORD. If it's a free app. I should say ask for parents' permission because parents mostly need permission to download it. Anyways, so yeah, see you guys later. 3, 2, 1, boom.
See you later.